Hey boos, thank you for checking out my video on how to fix a wig that's too damn big. I ordered yet another wig using Amazon Prime, and yes, it's from V-Show Hair again. Look, if it ain't broke, why fix it, right? Well, this one needed a little fixing. I ordered this 10-inch straight bob. Here I'm just showing you the construction of the wig. They pretty much all have the same cap construction, and I know this because I have 3 of their wigs now. I know, don't judge me. And yeah, like I said, they're all built the exact same. So I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, this is gonna be easy peasy. I'm gonna be able to put this on straight off the box. It's a bob, it'll be cute, bam. So let me try this on. I go to try the wig on straight out the box, and look how far down it comes on my forehead. No ma'am. But I was able to finesse it a bit. You all have seen this wig before and got a lot of love, but little did y'all know, I was looking like the models from the Comme des Garçons runway show. Look, I can't even say it. Or for those who don't know who that is or can't say it, I was looking like a Shamar Moore Tyler Perry wig situation, and it was not cute. But I was able to make it cute. Okay, what you want to do is put the wig on your head and grab the excess. My bad, because I forgot to film that. But you're grabbing the part that is the extra material on your head. Grip that and keep hold of it. Take the wig off by keeping that grip and flip it inside out. You should have a section of the wig in hand that will allow you to count how many tracts of hair need to be removed. See here? Once you get past the lace, it's just tracts of hair. This is what you will remove with scissors, a razor, whatever you will use to cut the thread holding the tracts to the wig. Here I chose to remove 4 tracts. Once you do that, flip it back inside out, and you need to sew the empty space tighter together in order to make the wig fit your head the way that you measured it in the beginning. My sewing here sucks, but I was being lazy and I rushed through it. Again, don't judge me. It fits now. That's all we care about. That's all we need to be worried about. So I've had this wig for a couple of weeks now, and it needed to be washed. That's why it's looking crazy in this clip. But I'm about to get it together, and the rest of this video is just me showing you how I do that. This wig is really good as far as shedding, pretty much non-existent in the shedding department. I don't apply any product. I don't apply any product to this hair or any of my wigs really. I just take my flat iron on a medium setting, which is around like 20 or 25, and I pass it through once or twice. So right now I'm just combing through it, as you can see. I have not bleached the knots on this wig. I don't plan to. I don't care. Y'all know it's a wig. Who cares? It's not that deep. For the most part, I might put some makeup on it, maybe some powder, but that's it. So like I said, I just take the flat iron and I just run it through all over, taking some of the bulk out. I don't want it flat. I want it to have some body, but I can't be out here looking like, I don't even know what that wig was looking like after I washed it. It was clean though. And for those who wonder, I use a toothbrush and shampoo to clean the lace. I use Got to Breathe Freeze Spray to lock the wig in place, applying pressure with a rat tail comb and blowing it dry with my dryer on high, but on the cool setting. This actually keeps the wig on my head until I take it off. Because this is my work wig, I can literally keep it on all week and maybe have to touch up the ear flaps, but the rest remains intact as long as I'm careful not to get the area wet. I then went in with my electric hot comb to tame the puffiness around the hairline and in the crown of the wig. And that's it, baby. All done, ready to go. Thank you for watching. Questions? Ask them below.